evening and the curtains have opened. A very good evening, namaskar, pranam. Coconut Theatre presents Chai Vai and Rang Manch. तो इसीलिए आज जरा बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. वी विल टॉक अबाउट थिएटर एंड बियॉन्ड. रियली दिस वर्ल्ड जो द लिटिल लाइफ दैट आई हैव लेड, इट इज ऑलवेज बीन a lot of theatre and a lot of beyond, और आज हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Once again, I would like to thank Coconut Theatre for having me here. Thank you very much. मैं आपको ये भी कह दूं कि I have been really I think Coconut Theatre has revolutionized what they are doing on the live platform. ये I think जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था हमारा, तब उन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव शुरू किया, and it is absolutely fabulous. I mean, the kind of the panel of experts who have come in, the experts, the theatre legends who have come here, whether from India or abroad, मतलब absolutely phenomenal. मैंने कुछ सेशंस देखे, रोहिणी हतंगड़ी जी का सेशन देखा, जयति भाटिया जी का सेशन देखा, and I've been kind of watching a lot of these sessions. रजत कपूर का सेशन देखा. I mean, really, ये आई थिंक जो भी घर पे है, यू शुड गो टू द कोकोनट थिएटर FB पेज और आप ये देखते रहिए. रोज 1 घंटा देखेंगे. आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट सच अ great just such a great discipline that you will imbibe. Before we begin, I just want to kind of thank a few people, क्योंकि ये थिएटर के बारे में है, ये रंगमंच के बारे में है. So I want to really thank, I think the people who have inspired me, and I would like to really take the names. Of course, there are lots of actors who I've acted with. Anant Mahadevan ji is one of them, जिनके साथ मैं एक play कर रहा हूँ currently. But I want to kind of talk about the directors, because really I think we are just we are just mere actors. हमें मोल्ड जो करते हैं वो हमारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं. एंड आई थिंक आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट सबसे बड़े जो मेरे डायरेक्टर्स हैं वो इनकरेज मी आर ऑफ कोर्स माई पेरेंट्स, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ऑल माई टीचर्स इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेज. रिमेंबर जो भी मेरी इनिशियल तालीम जो मैंने हासिल की थी, दैट वाज थैंक्स टू नौशरवान जहांगीर साहब. Really, the kind of grounding that he gave was absolutely phenomenal. And then, of course, जो मेरा पहला professional play था, thanks to Kamla Ramchandani, Madhulika Verma, Amir Raza Hussain, Mahesh Dattani, Divya Palad, Bharat Dabolkar. I mean, really, August company. Sorry, the month is July, but I have been in August company. And which is why I'm here today. So thank you very much, Coconut Theatre, for having me. यहाँ पे क्या है कि I'm sitting just by the window. So it's the monsoon. तो जो क्या है कि clouds जो हैं वो आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं. Suddenly आप मेरे चेहरे पे एक तेज देखेंगे. Suddenly you will see a slight darkness. और मैंने जानबूझ के एक साइड में थोड़ी लाइट रखी है, दूसरे में थोड़ा सा डार्क, because it is about theatre and beyond. और जो मेरी जिंदगी है, that's always been really a mishran of two things, one of them being theatre, one of them being my profession. And I want to talk about it क्योंकि जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था, we were from a business family, we are from a business family, तो of course पढ़ाई की बहुत importance थी. It was always about पढ़ाई, and पढ़ाई was about the mind. But theatre and the performing arts was my passion, was my heart. तो इसलिए I said कि यार बड़े होके I need to make sure that I will continue both of these things. मैं अपने दिमाग का भी ख्याल रखूंगा और मैं अपने दिल का भी ख्याल रखूंगा. And that is why it's always been theatre and beyond, or it has been my profession and beyond. तो ये दोनों चीज़ों का मिश्रण is what I would kind of say is what my life has been all about, and very very interesting, I must say. Really enjoyed doing both. They kind of ask कि क्या आपका passion आपका profession बन सकता है, क्या आपका profession passion बन सकता है. Well, I would just like to say it's a bit like arranged marriage, जो कहते हैं ना कि क्या arranged marriage love में convert हो सकती है, and can the love marriage become boring and therefore become an arranged marriage. I think the ideal situation है कि arranged marriage love में बदल जाए, and जो love marriage है वो हमेशा love रहे. And that's what's always happened to me. But I love what I do. As a profession, I've always been with the arts, not theatre entirely, but advertising. उसके बाद music has been my love. Music and theatre are the two loves. तो इसलिए कई सालों तक मैंने एक म्यूजिक स्टोर चलाया था, which was called Planet M, अगर आपको याद होगा. And then of course उसके बाद radio. तो radio was again a passion, but it became a profession. तो इसलिए like I said, there is दिमाग and there is the दिल, there is theatre and there is radio. एक में म्यूजिक बजता है और एक में दिल बजता है, परफॉर्मेंस बजती है. एंड देयरफॉर लाइक आई सेड दैट यस, कैन यू मैरी द टू? Yes, you can. तो आज मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ, of course, I'm sure there are going to be lots of people who are here. I'm sure there are lots of industry people. मैं हाथ जोड़ के apologize कर रहा हूँ, मैं हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी मांग रहा हूँ कि देखिए जो भी थिएटर प्रोफेशन में है, I don't think I am qualified enough to add any value to you. But हाँ, जो aspiring actors हैं, जो दूसरे प्रोफेशन से हैं, of course, I would like to tell you that yes, this is a good place because I will share my personal experience. मैं आपको personal बताऊंगा how to juggle, how to manage between the love for theatre and the love for what you do. Like I said, दिल and दिमाग, इन दोनों का जो combination है, I will try to unravel that and really present to you theatre and beyond. तो यही आज का शीर्षक है on कोकोनट थिएटर. चाय वाई एंड रम. एवरी टाइम ऐसे चाय एक वो मेंटल एक क्यू होता है, जैसे प्ले में होता है ना, एक क्यू होता है कि जैसे ही चाय की बात करूं मैं ये कप उठा दूं और मैं आपको बोल दूं कि इसमें चाय है नहीं, इट्स अ प्रॉप ऑफ माइंड. बट देन दैट्स व्हाट इट इज, दैट्स व्हाट थिएटर इज. एंड अ प्रॉप ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. हमें सिखाया जाता है कि कुछ भी चीज को अपने पास रखो, अपनी उंगलियों को या अपने हाथों को अपनी जेब में डाल दो, और यूज योर वॉइस द प्रॉप. सो देयर ऑलवेज इज अ प्रॉप एंड दिस इज माई प्रॉप. सो व्हाई डिड I get into theatre? So let's go back to a million years ago. Why did I get into theatre? Or I think every actor is asked that. I think if you ask anyone and all the esteemed guests also who are on this page who are watching, उनको सबको पूछा जाता है कि क्यों theatre, क्यों? अब I don't know about the others, but मैं अपना बता दूं कि as a kid, and I think I still am, I'm a bit of a spoiled brat. तो वो क्या होता है कि जब वो स्पॉइल्ड ब्रैट आप होते हो तो आपको इंस्टेंट अटेंशन चाहिए. अभी मुझे खाना चाहिए, अभी मुझे गेम चाहिए, अभी मुझे बाहर जाना है. यू वांट दैट इंस्टेंट अटेंशन. और मैंने फिर ये एनालाइज किया कि यार इंस्टेंट अटेंशन जो है, इंस्टेंट रिस्पॉन्स जो है, दैट इज समथिंग आई गॉट यूज्ड टू. एंड आई सेड कि वो जो किक है वो सिर्फ थिएटर आपको दे सकता है. क्योंकि जब आप एग्जाम्स करते हैं तो आपने एग्जाम तो लिख लिए, आपको रिजल्ट आते हैं 3 महीने बाद. सो इट्स नॉट इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स भी खेल रहे हैं तो वो इंस्टेंट नहीं है, क्योंकि जब आप खेल रहे हैं आपको ये नहीं पता आप जीत रहे हो, आप हार रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है. लास्ट गेंद तक अगर आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो यू कुड लूज. बॉक्सिंग में भी आप यू नॉट टू श्योर जब आप खड़े हुए कि आपका हाथ रेज होगा कि नहीं होगा. सो इट्स रियली क्रेजी, राइट? बट आई रियलाइज, हैंग ऑन, थिएटर, इंस्टेंट अटेंशन, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. आप जब स्टेज पे हो आपको तुरंत पता चल जाता है हाउ इज द परफॉर्मेंस गोइंग. आर पीपल रिएक्टिंग टू यू, आर दे नॉट रिएक्टिंग टू यू. तालियां बजा रहे हैं, हंस रहे हैं, स्माइल कर रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं. इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. एंड रियली इट इज लाइक वो नहीं कहते, एक साइकिल होता है. जैसे ही आप स्टेज पे ऊपर आते हैं आपको पता चल जाता है, आपको या आपके जो एक्टर्स हैं, जो को स्टार्स हैं, जो को एक्टर्स हैं स्टेज पे, उनके रिएक्शन से भी आपको पता चल जाता है क्या हो रहा है. एंड दैट रियली बिकम्स अ साइकिल एंड इट टीचेस यू एंड इट एनर्जाइजेस यू. और वो साइकिल बरकरार रहती है फॉर द इंटायर परफॉर्मेंस. सो नॉट ओनली आर यू बीइंग इंस्टेंटली ग्रेटिफाइड, बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट ऑल ऑल्सो यू गेट द अल्टीमेट reaction, gratification, critique from the audience, and I think that is brilliant. So इसलिए I got into theatre and I continued. और इसलिए मैंने जो 2 मीडियम्स चूज किए, थिएटर एंड रेडियो, दे आर बोथ अबाउट इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. तो आई थिंक जो मुझ में जो एक स्पॉइल्ड ब्रैट था, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट गॉट मी इनटू डूइंग थिएटर. एंड अगेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. तो इसलिए अब मैंने बता दिया कि मैं थिएटर में क्यों है. अब नाउ आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ यू हु आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ थिएटर वुड बी आस्किंग कि यार ये बताओ, why should everyone do theatre? Or why should? I believe कि सबको at some point of time in their life they should do theatre. I mean it is a must. I can come right here and I can say it again, everyone. और अगर आप ये एडिट करके सबको दे दें, प्लीज, इट इज द फाइनेस्ट डिसिप्लिन. बच्चों को, और एक्चुअली एज इज नो बार, everyone should participate or do theatre at least at some point of time in their life. And the reason for that is because I think it's the best discipline in the world. It's the best craft in the world. And most importantly, it teaches you to be the jack of all and the master of one. So, according to me, I think what it teaches you is empathy. Sammanubhuti, not Sahanubhuti, Sammanubhuti. To be able to respect everyone who you are with on stage or who you see in front of you, which is the audience. Absolutely. Empathy is, I think, one thing, and which is why आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बताती है, and I will tell you how it has helped me in my corporate world. क्योंकि 9 से 5 मैं बिल्कुल वो corporate world में, I've kind of entered that, like I said. But yes, it teaches you empathy amongst them all and sammanubhuti. You get to learn every aspect. जो भी स्टेज पे हैं या स्टेज पे नहीं है, आपके जो लाइट मास्टर हैं, आपके जो साउंड हैंडल कर रहे हैं, जो सेट्स जिन्होंने लगाए हैं, जो आपकी विंग्स में है, जो प्रोडक्शन टीम है, जो आपके एक्टर्स हैं. There could be someone who's very experienced, there could be someone who's very new, but it teaches you empathy towards people. And of course the audience. ऑडियंस कोई भी मूड में हो सकती है. लाइक जयति वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि जब आप एक प्ले करते हैं तो अलग अलग विभिन्न किस्म की ऑडियंस आती है. कभी उनका मूड, दे आर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, समटाइम्स दे आर इनटू द प्ले, समटाइम्स दे आर नॉट, समटाइम्स देयर एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर समथिंग एल्स, बट यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू ईच वन ऑफ देम. एंड देयरफॉर इट टीचेस यू आल्सो टू बी एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स दैट ऑडियंस. You get to respect them and you get to love them. And which is why I feel that everyone, चाहे आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में हो, चाहे आप डॉक्टर हो, चाहे आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, you should do theatre. So those are my two words, and I personally followed it. Like I said, ये मेरा प्रोफेशन नहीं है. It is one of my professions. But I've always believed, और मैं कॉलेज में, स्कूल में देखता था कि बहुत सारे जो मेरे दोस्त थे, they were fabulous on stage, they were fabulous, but कहीं जाके they kind of feel कि नहीं यार ये तो मस्ती थी, let it be. But why? Why should you let it be? If it gave you so much of happiness, if it gave you so much of joy, then why let it be? Continue with it. So really, everyone out there, you should do theatre. तो अब now let's talk about can everyone do theatre? ये भी एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि यार सब लोग कर सकते हैं. Of course, I think everyone can do theatre. Everyone has that skill, everyone has that talent. हाँ ये है कि let's not confuse skill and success, or skill and appreciation, or skill and the X factor. बहुत लोगों में एक X factor बहुत जरूरी होता है. The X factor is what attracts. The skill is what we have or that we can acquire. But एक X factor वो आप में है या नहीं है. So there is no harm. There is no harm. आप में skill हो सकता है, but you may not have the X factor. But that's also fine. या आप में X factor हो सकता है. You can help develop that skill. So can everyone do theatre? Of course they can. Of course they can. So please guys, I think these are 3 big questions. Why did I do it? Can everyone do it? And why should everyone do it? So this to me is really, I would say, the 3 things that I would kind of now move to the next section. So now let's talk about the topic, which is theatre and beyond. Theatre and beyond, well, मैं आपको अपना बता दूं कि it's always been beyond. Like I said, पढ़ाई की, MBA किया, corporate नौकरी की, advertising की, but I always made a point that I will continue theatre because that was my dil, that was my first love. Or I bottomed down, or I stopped at radio. So my beyond, the theatre and beyond, my beyond is radio. And I will say, why radio? मैंने एक तो आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि दोनों में instant gratification मिलता है, दोनों live है. And the second most important is what they say, कि radio is the theatre of the mind. And that is beautiful, that it had that element of theatre that I said कि यार ये ही करना है. अगर मैं थिएटर को एक फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन नहीं बना पाया, then can I do something which lets me live and enjoy theatre all the time? It is the theatre of that mind. Just shut your eye. Shut your eye and you will realize that it helps you paint pictures in your mind. जो आवाज आपके पास आती है, we can paint pictures, we can tell you about things. आप जब गाना सुनते हैं तो आप सुनते नहीं, आप गाने को देखते हैं. Imagine that is the theatre of the mind. जब आप किसी की आवाज सुनते हैं तो आप सुनते नहीं, आप उनको देखते हैं. एंड यू कैन पेंट सो मेनी पिक्चर्स. आप किसी भी चीज को यू कैन इमेजिन. जब बहुत साल पहले, when there was no visual way of talking to people, पहले how would someone describe the beauty of Taj Mahal? How would someone describe the beauty of a city, of a monument, of a king, of a queen, Raja, Maharaja? How would it be? Theater of the mind. Through the conversations, through the talk, through the description. And that is why I thought कि modern technology में radio it is. So radio is that theater of the mind, and इसलिए I would like to talk about really the combination of theater, radio, and the corporate life. So which is theater and beyond. तो अब मैं ये कहूँगा कि to me, if you ask me why radio, I've said, and what about theater, therefore I feel is the most important thing, and which has also helped me beyond. देखिए, suddenly the sun is coming and therefore my face is like burning, like I said, but this will always be in the shade. So like I said, you will always see the two sides, the yin and the yang today. So which is why I'm saying, what to me in theater is the most important thing. It is, to me, and this is very, क्या बोलते हैं, it could be, what's the word to use? People may not agree with it. This may be debatable, but even then, to me, I feel the first is the voice. To me, the most important thing in theater. The second is the body. And the third is the face. आप पूछेंगे ये क्यों है? And of course, there will be a lot of people who disagree with me. Remember, this is a point of view. ये एक point of view, and I'm not saying कि most important मतलब ये 100% है और ये 0% है. Of course, इनमें जो अंतर है बहुत कम है. अंतर बहुत कम है, but फिर भी I would like to say that to me the most important thing and is the voice, number 1, the body, number 2, and number 3, the face. So I took a pause. I purposely took a pause because I wanted you to debate it in your head. कोई मुझे गाली दे रहा होगा, कोई बोल रहा क्या बकवास कह रहे हो, is it true, is it not true, trying to justify it in your head whether what I've said is right or not. Like I said, there is no right, there is no wrong. But yes, to me the voice, because अगर आप देखें कि a lot of times even when you go for theater, you're not able to buy the best seats in the house. अगर आप best seats in the house नहीं खरीद पाते तो बहुत बार कहते हैं कि ये टिकट है आपकी इतने रुपयों के लिए, but it is partial view. मतलब आपको शायद सब चीज दिखाई ना दे, सारे एक्टर्स पूरा स्टेज दिखाई नहीं दे, but can you hear? To see or not to see? That is a question. But to hear or not to hear is not a question. In fact, even if I'll give you an example. जैसे आप, if you're angry, if you're angry, so I could either shout, क्या कर रहे हो? ये तुमने अपना homework क्यों नहीं किया? I'm using my voice. Sometimes you may not even see me. I may just say, और मैं क्या हो रहा है यार, and I'll move away. आपने मेरा चेहरा भी नहीं देखा है. I will just say क्या हुआ and I've moved away. Now, how do you know? It's the voice that sets the tone. आपको आवाज से पता चल जाता है कि what is the emotion, चाहे आप दूर हो या आमने सामने हो. मैंने एक प्ले किया था Legend of Ram with Amir Raza Hussain, and really hats off to him for bringing that scale of theatre I think to India. ये पूरे एक स्टेडियम में हमने परफॉर्म किया था. the entire stadium जहाँ पे अलग अलग सेट्स थे. Audience had to sit on a trolley and they would move from set to set. So these were actually sets that were created. So imagine, अब audience इतनी दूर बैठी है, they may not be able to see the actor's face, but can they hear him? Can the voice emote? In radio, can the voice emote? Yes, it can. So to me, the voice becomes most important. आप चिल्ला रहे हो, आप सॉफ्टली कुछ बोल रहे हो, लेकिन आवाज जो है आपके चेहरे में आपकी, they may not be able to see. You may not be able to see my face right now, but yes, you can hear my voice and you know that I am angry. Do you need to see my face? You don't need to see my face because आपके सामने कोई ना कोई चेहरा तो आ रहा है. So therefore, I think the voice is very important. Second, the body. Body language, I also say the costumes therefore become important because again, आप दूर हो, तो you know what happens is कि you can see the costume. Is he dressed like a king? Is he dressed like a pauper? Is he a poor man? Is he a successful man? अगर आप successful हो, confident हो, then your shoulders are up, you're walking. There's a little एक टशन है in your walk, in your talk. अगर आप if आप थोड़े झुके हुए हो, then you know कि यार he's a little bit of a weak man. He needs, he's needy. Therefore, the body language, and then उसके बाद में comes the face. और तब तक आपका impression form हो जाता है. आप फिल्म्स देखिए, look at Marlon Brando in Godfather. It's the voice first that attracts you. It's the costume, what he's wearing, and then you lead to the face. आप जंजीर देख लीजिए, the great Amitabh Bachchan, and I'm a big fan of films. सबसे पहले what do you hear? The voice. जब तक बैठने को नहीं कहा जाए, शराफत से खड़े रहो. ये पुलिस स्टेशन है, तुम्हारे बाप का घर नहीं. आवाज. Then you see the legs, then the legs move up to the body, और फिर आपको चेहरा नजर आता है. So which is why, like I said, it's very important. It's very important, and even in real life, it is first the voice, then the body or the costume, and then the face. One more example. मुझे अभी ध्यान आया. Look at Nasir Saab. Yeah, he went into commercial cinema, and I'm a big fan of his. When he did Oye Oye, सबसे पहले क्या आपको सुनाई दिया? ओए ओए. It was the voice, it was the chant, and you said, hey, hang on, who is this guy? फिर आपने देखा ये colorful costume. Then you saw that body gesture. Hero Hira Lal. This was from, of course, Tridev. The body gesture, and then you saw the face. तो really क्या होता है कि जो आपका जो perception है, that gets formed with these three elements, and I think, and which is why, again they say radio is the theater of the mind. So I said इस पे focus किया जाए यार. Again, if I think this is the most important thing, then let me focus on this. And it is very important when you're on stage that you are heard. Now, how does it add to the beyond? My beyond life is radio. My beyond life is the corporate world. Corporate world जहाँ पे all we're talking about is balance sheets and EBITDAs and profit and loss and revenue हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, and team and strategy, और ये एक बहुत ही अलग दुनिया है. But let me tell you one thing कि जो भी आज मैंने सीखा है, all of this is thanks to theater. What has theater taught me? Which I have adapted in the corporate world, which I have adapted in the beyond: mind, body, voice control, which I've just spoken about. Discipline. Theater, it's all about discipline. Yeah, it's all about doing up वही performance. 1000 बार कर रहे हो, the same play you're doing it, but you have to be disciplined to do the same performance every time. थोड़ा बहुत अंतर होगा. But you can't suddenly get on the stage and say, मैं अपने lines बदल रहा हूँ. No, there has to be a discipline. And likewise, that happens at work. Discipline बहुत important है. अगर आप boss हैं, अगर आप CEO हैं, तो to form that discipline, to make sure that that discipline matters. I spoke about voice, body. Imagine, what you wear to work defines you. Right? That is theater. It is, at the end of it all, like I said, कि शेक्सपियर साहब ने कहा था, all the world's a stage, and it's true. At least I believe in it. Teamwork. Jayati just said initially, जब मैंने पूछा था कि why theatre, she said teamwork, and teamwork is so important. What is it? The stage is nothing but teamwork. You're on stage with different actors from different experiences. सब अलग अलग विभिन्न experience के साथ वहाँ पे आए हैं. But it is about teamwork. आप rehearsals पे time पे आ रहे हैं कि आप are you making people wait, जो films में अक्सर होता है. But not in theatre. आप कर नहीं सकते. आप stage पे are you covering someone? Are you overlapping someone's dialogues? Are you making sure कि चाहे वो नया actor हो, you're giving him that importance to shine on stage? Are you making sure that the audience can see not only you but everyone else? Therefore, that teamwork is so important, and I can tell you, theatre has taught me that. Teamwork, of course, I don't want to say कि कोई भी company हो, कोई भी successful company हो, the most important thing is teamwork. Humility, like I said. You get to know कि ये where is your position in the entire play of yours, and you get to be humble about it. Yeah. It's not just about कि oh हो यार आप main role हो या आप secondary role हो. No, like I think Stanislavski said that small is not the role, small is the actor. Therefore, you learn how to be humble. Interaction, communication skills, connect. And what I do think, theatre ke, I read somewhere that I think some very important things that theatre teaches you is this thing called, जो मैंने actually corporate world में इसको adapt किया है, which is called R2E3. और R2E3 क्या है, which is relevant. देखिए मैं थोड़ा सा मैनेजमेंट जार्गन भी बोल रहा हूँ, बट मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ because I'm telling you all of this has come from theatre. Theatre teaches you in your real life, whether you are at home, whether you are at work, whether you are with friends. It is about R2E3, which is relevant, radical, engaging, emotional and executable. जैसे प्ले होता है कि is your play, जब आप स्टेज पे हो तो ये जो प्ले जो आप कर रहे हो, is it relevant for that audience? अगर relevant for that audience है तो they will enjoy it. Therefore relevant तो is the key. And even in real life, अगर आप कोई ब्रांड निकाल रहे हो, आप एक प्रोडक्ट निकाल रहे हो, आप एक शो कर रहे हो, टेलीविजन पे आप एक शो कर रहे हो, एक पिक्चर निकाल रहे हो, तो ये क्या इस टाइम के लिए रेलेवेंट है कि नहीं? विच इज वाई दिस यार ये पिक्चर चली नहीं, ये तो 10 साल, इट वाज मच अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट रेलेवेंट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम थिएटर, फ्रॉम ऑल द गुरुज दैट हु आर हियर, हु आर वाचिंग मी, फ्रॉम ऑल द प्लेज दैट आई हैव सीन. अ गुड प्ले इज इफ इट्स रेलेवेंट, एंड देयरफॉर अ गुड प्रोडक्ट in your corporate life is relevant. आपकी जो टीम है अभी, we're going through a lockdown, बहुत सारे, we're going through a terrible, challenging phase. नौकरियां जा रही हैं, नौकरियां आ रही हैं, businesses, they're opening up, some of them are shutting down, but what will survive is if you're relevant. I've learned this from theatre. Radical. When you're on stage, are you radically different from everyone else? Are you radical? And that is what happens in corporate life. आप जब ऑफिस में जाते हो या आप जिंदगी में, there are 50 million people in the office. But are you radical enough to stand out? So it's not important. Like I said, the role, how big the role is not important. It is how radical you're able to make even that 2-minute appearance, which makes a difference. And same way, presentation में आप बैठे हो, present आप कर रहे हो, वो client आपके सामने है, he should feel, wow man, what a radical idea. What a relevant and what a radical idea. And then of course the other E's in that R2E3 formula जो मैंने, which I've come up with, engaging. भाई अगर आप ऑडियंस से engage नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर आप अपने co-actors के साथ engage नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर आप वो light master के साथ engage नहीं कर रहे हो, then the performance is a failure. Likewise, जब मैं अगर एक रेडियो शो कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं अपने listeners को engage नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो फिर क्या फायदा हुआ? इमोशनल, ऑफ कोर्स इमोशनल तो मतलब बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. इमोशन व्हेन आई मीन कि आप हंसा भी सकते हो, रुला भी सकते हो, चौंका भी सकते हो, लेकिन आप इमोशनली कनेक्ट कर रहे हो कि नहीं. एंड इट्स सो इंपॉर्टेंट कि वो टीम में भी, आर यू इमोशनली कनेक्टिंग विद योर एक्टर्स, विच इज वाई लुक एट जयति इज हियर, अनंत इज हियर, सुचित्रा इज हियर, सम ऑफ द वी ऑल इमोशनली एंगेज विद ईच अदर कि हम अब भी इतने अच्छे दोस्त हैं. And even on stage, are you emotionally connected with each other and with that audience? Like they say कि picture only that one person when you're putting up a performance. आपके सामने वो एक बंदा होना चाहिए. जब मैं रेडियो शो करता हूं तो मेरे सामने एक बंदा होता है. I know there are millions of people who are listening, but in my mind, I'm thinking of that one person. Am I emotionally connecting with that person? जब आप एक साबुन खरीद रहे हो, क्यों? Why does it work? Because are you emotionally connected? And these are all things, क्योंकि सबसे पहले मेरी जिंदगी में थिएटर आया था. Theatre I started doing at the age of 2-3. I mean, since I was born, but stage के ऊपर in an audience when I went to kindergarten, जब Humpty Dumpty किया था, of course मैं, you can make out why Humpty Dumpty and why I was not all the horses and why I was not all the soldiers, because of course I was Mr. Sudol, Mr. Humpty Dumpty. That was the first role I ever did on, well, I could say a public platform. And then the third one is executable. Can you execute it? ये play execute हो सकता है. ये Legend of Ram जो आमिर रजा हुसैन ने किया, can we execute it? All the plays that you find, जब आप when you visit Broadway, when you see all the plays out there, the biggest thing is, can you execute those plays? And likewise in the corporate world, can you execute those ideas? यार मैं तो ये कह दूं कि मैं ट्रैफिक अपडेट मैं तो चांद से ट्रैफिक अपडेट करना चाहता हूं. मैं तो रोज चाहूंगा कि मैं हेलीकॉप्टर घुमाऊं शहर पे और मैं वहां से देखकर ट्रैफिक अपडेट करूं. मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि एक ही प्रोडक्ट में, एक ही ड्रिंक में ये भी हो, ये भी हो, ये भी हो, ये भी हो. अब देखिए ना, we're trying to find a cure for COVID, right? I mean, executable. The biggest thing is, can that vaccine, is it executable? ये ना हो कि कोई साइड इफेक्ट हो जाए, ये ना हो कि आदमी और बीमार पड़ जाए. तो मैंने ये थिएटर से सीखा. एंड ऑल दिस हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग द रिहर्सल फेज. ये जो आप एग्जीक्यूटिबल सोचते हो, ये आप तब सोचते हो जब 3 महीने 4 महीने जब आप मेहनत कर रहे हो, जब आप डायरेक्टर के साथ बैठे हो, जब आप प्रोड्यूसर के साथ बैठे हो, एंड दे आर टेलिंग यू कि कैन वी एग्जीक्यूट, एंड देन दे पुट ऑल देयर फेथ इन यू. तो इसलिए रेलेवेंट, रैडिकल, इंगेजिंग, इमोशनल एंड एग्जीक्यूटिबल, ये चीजें थी जो मैंने थिएटर से सीखी. एंड आई टुक इट बियॉन्ड. थिएटर ऑफ माइंड, ये मैंने थिएटर से सीखी. एंड आई टुक इट बियॉन्ड. डिसिप्लिन, टीम वर्क, ह्यूमिलिटी, ये मैंने थिएटर से सीखी. एंड देन आई टुक इट बियॉन्ड. एंड लाइक आई सेड, सम्मानुभूति, ये मैंने थिएटर से सीखी. एंड देन आई टुक इट बियॉन्ड. सो दीज वर द थिंग्स that I would feel as what helped me theater and beyond. Which is why आप चाहे कुछ भी कर रहे हो, you should always do one tryst. जो कहते हैं ना, tryst with destiny. You should have one tryst with theater. And also I think what it does beautifully is it helps combine perception and reality. When you go to office, when you go to work, घर पे जब आप हो, आपकी जो रिलेशनशिप है वो परसेप्शन है कि रियलिटी है. आप कितना अच्छा कर रहे हो, वो परसेप्शन है कि रियलिटी है. थिएटर इज एबल टू मैरी द टू. एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू गिव द परसेप्शन दैट वाओ, दिस इज फैब्युलस. परसेप्शन आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, यू आर प्लेइंग विद दैट माइंड, बट द रियलिटी इज हियर. That impression that you're creating with your audience when they walk up and leave is, wow man, it was a fabulous play. आपने perception और reality को combine कर दिया. And that is so important even in our day-to-day lives. जब हम ऑफिस जाते हैं, the clothes we wear, how we speak, जो हम strategy, वो जो perception आप create करते हो, वो ही आपकी reality बन जाती है. And that is so important. And the last thing that I have learned from theatre, I would like to say, we can really go on talking, but आज topic ये था about theatre and beyond, is that what it taught me, the most important thing, and I think it just changes आपका पूरे जिंदगी का नजरिया बदल देता है, that you are here to involve with people, not just inform them. कि it is about, and this I've learned from Bharat Dabholkar, involve the audience. Don't just inform them. And likewise at work. मैं रेडियो शो कर रहा हूं, it is about involving. मैं लिसनर को देख नहीं सकता, but am I involving that listener? Not just informing the listener. अगर मैं एक प्रोडक्ट बाहर मार्केट में डाल रहा हूं, am I involving the person? वो लोगो देख कर क्या मैं इन्वॉल्व हूं? Am I therefore do I pick it up, or am I just informing कि यार मैं हूं, आप चाहो तो मुझे दुकान से खरीद सकते हो? No. It is about informing, not just. It is about involving. So these are the things that I have learned from theatre, which I have used in my professional life. Of course, देखिए दोनों, like I said, side by side चलते हैं, just to let you know. My corporate life, जो रेडियो की जिंदगी है, but रेडियो में भी the corporate side of radio, and of course there is the artist side, and then there is theatre. And I've always believed कि अब इतने साल हो गए हैं, it's almost 20 years since I did my first play, and it's 20 years since I did my first job, and I made a promise to myself, and I said कि नहीं, life will always be theatre and beyond. Life will always be, I could turn it around also, profession and beyond. Because then, like I said, you're a happy person. आपको फिर आप पे कोई इनकम्प्लीटनेस है ही नहीं. अगर कोई भी चीज प्रोफेशन में आपको इनकम्प्लीट कर रही है, वो थिएटर इज फुलफिलिंग. एंड इफ देयर इज समथिंग इन थिएटर दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट, then the professional life, that passion drives you, or that in theatre helps you to complete your professional life. Theatre is, of course, all encompassing. But of course, I would love to direct at some point of time. Abhi to, of course, I act, and I'm really a puppet in the hands of the director. Is there a style of acting? There are lots of schools of acting. और जो भी मैंने जो भी थोड़ी बहुत तालीम हासिल की है, आई पर्सनली बिलीव दैट आप चाहे जो भी स्कूल आप एक्टिंग का फॉलो करें, मेथड एक्टिंग करें, क्लासिकल स्टाइल ऑफ थिएटर एक्टिंग करें, विच एवर स्टाइल, there needs to be a bit of you in everything that you do. Your personal experiences, your personal observations, the books that you have read, the people that you have met, the actors that you have acted with. There needs to be that bit of you, your personality. And as you move along, there is always a personality. अगर आप 15 साल के हैं तो ठीक है, आप वो यूज कीजिए. अगर आप 40 साल के हैं तो आप वो यूज कीजिए. अगर आप 60 साल के हैं तो वो यूज कीजिए, और वो नजर आएगी. So that is my only thing, कि never ever let go of who you are. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज वो फिर स्टाइल झलकता है. आप गाना गाते हैं तो वो स्टाइल झलकता है. आप एक्टिंग, आप डायरेक्ट करते हैं तो वो स्टाइल आपका झलकता है. इवन इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, यू लुक एट रिचर्ड ब्रांसन, वो स्टाइल झलकता है. यू लुक एट मुकेश अंबानी, वो स्टाइल झलकता है. यू विल सी द इंटायर. दैट्स व्हाई अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से दैट अ कंपनी इज बेस्ड ऑन द सीईओ, or that business head, or that the editor in chief. अगर आप एक रेडियो स्टेशन सुन रहे हैं, या टेलीविजन चैनल देख रहे हैं, या अगर आप इट इज ऑलवेज जो प्रोग्रामिंग हेड है उस कंपनी, वो एक फ्लेवर आ ही जाता है. So which is why, like I say, that it's very important that always be in touch with that side. पिक्चरें जब आप देखते हैं, you find a bit of Rajkumar Hirani, in every film that he does. And it's so important. Subhash Ghai sahab, you find a little bit of Subhash Ghai in the films that he's directed. So therefore, that's what I would like to say, कि अगर तो कोई चीज है which is a must, it is theatre. और जब आप थिएटर करें तो do it completely. Gibran Saab had once said that do not love half lovers, do not entertain half friends, do not indulge in works of the half talented, do not live a half life. You are a whole that exists to live a whole life, not a half life. इसलिए अगर आप थिएटर करें, अगर आप एक भी प्ले करें, make sure that you do it 100%. Do it full, do it complete, get immersed in it. ये नहीं कि वहां बैठ के आप अपना फोन चेक कर रहे हैं. Do that one discipline which is apart from what you do in your life. कोई भी. In fact, अगर आप theatre actor हैं, then do something else. But because we are talking about theatre, and theatre is the first love, which is why Theatre and Beyond, do whatever you do it एक बार करो, लेकिन 100% fabulous करो. Now you may ask me कि यार अगर मैं कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में भी थिएटर को लेकर आया हूं, तो then which part of it is real and which part of it is not real? और क्या मैं रियल लाइफ में भी नौटंकी कर रहा हूं? So then, like I said, as Sharma ji said, all the world's a stage. And we're all merely actors, and we need to play our part. तो अगर हम ये कर रहे हैं, then what the heck, यार? All the world's a stage. Entertain, be entertained, and play the part that you're made for. Thank you very much. That was me, Sharma ji, on Chai Vai. Oh, sorry, prop आना पड़ेगा. Chai Vai and Rangmanch. Thanks to the Coconut Theatre guys, really. Thank you so much for having me here. Okay, someone is saying that can you share your thoughts on experimental plays? Yeah, just like I said that there is no, Sagar is asking, just like I said that there is no role that is small or large. It's like saying ki, what about a 5-day cricket match versus 1 day versus 2020? What about an original song versus a remix? What about experimental theatre? What about commercial theatre? What about large scale theatre? What about monologues? Boss, to me there is no difference. To each his own, but like I said, make it relevant. Make sure that 2 लोग आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए या 5 लोग आ रहे हैं या 5,000 लोग आ रहे हैं. Understand your audience and perform for that audience. If you do that, everything is relevant. Everything makes sense. Tushar is asking, when I saw the title Theatre and Beyond, I was skeptic, as I believe there is nothing beyond theatre. Nonetheless, you have not been able to read the rest of it. You took us beyond theatre. I admire your approach and how you have engaged us. Bravo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Like I said, this was mainly a talk that I just wanted to have. It's an opinion, it's a point of view, and I thought कि सबसे share किया जाए. मैं ज्ञान नहीं दे सकता. I don't think I'm capable of giving ज्ञान. I don't think I'm skilled or qualified enough. But हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत जो experience है, एक point of view है, और ये जो इन 2 worlds का जो मिश्रण जो मैंने दोनों से सीखा है. We can have another session where I'll talk about corporate and beyond, and would love to kind of talk to you about that. या music and beyond. इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं on a daily basis, और या फिर home and beyond. बीवी से भी रोज बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं. So yes, the topic is always and beyond, and that I think makes life even more exciting. So keep that little beyond as a part of your life always. Thank you so much. Cheers. Stay safe, stay happy. Time for the curtain to close.